Breaking news. Dofan Volcano Eruption and massive earthquake trigger panic in Ethiopia. Ethiopia. A catastrophic natural disaster unfolded today as the Dofan volcano erupted with violent force, coinciding with a massive earthquake that rocked the region. The dual calamities have left thousands of people fleeing in panic, with widespread destruction reported across the affected areas. The eruption began in the early hours of the morning, with plumes of ash and smoke spewing thousands of meters into the sky, darkening the horizon and blanketing nearby towns. Rivers of molten lava poured down the slopes, consuming homes, farmlands, and vital infrastructure in their path. Witnesses described a deafening roar as the ground trembled, followed by the fiery outburst of the volcano, which had been dormant for decades. Adding to the devastation, a 5.7 magnitude earthquake struck shortly after the eruption. The seismic waves cracked open roads, toppled buildings, and split the ground in several locations, creating fissures that swallowed vehicles and livestock. Tremors were felt as far away as neighboring Eritrea, intensifying fears of aftershocks and further eruptions. In the towns surrounding the volcano, scenes of chaos and despair unfolded. Families grabbed whatever belongings they could carry as they fled to safer ground. Makeshift evacuation centers quickly filled to capacity, with residents seeking shelter from the unrelenting ashfall and the persistent tremors. Local authorities, overwhelmed by the scale of the disaster, have called for international assistance. Emergency response teams are racing against time to rescue those trapped under debris and to provide aid to the injured. The Ethiopian Red Cross has reported thousands of displaced families in urgent need of food, clean water, and medical care. Volcanologists and seismologists are working to determine the connection between the Dofan volcano eruption and the earthquake. Experts believe the tectonic activity in the East African Rift Valley, a region known for its volatile geological activity, may have triggered this catastrophic chain of events. Both the eruption and the earthquake are stark reminders of the immense power of nature, said Dr. Tekel Makonnen, a leading Ethiopian geologist. This region is no stranger to seismic and volcanic activity, but the simultaneous occurrence of such large-scale events is unprecedented.